In this lecture, we explore environmental impact businesses in Asia. We will identify different kinds of environmental impact business models and highlight businesses that are making a difference for the planet Earth. There are many types of environmental impact business models that seek to deliver a positive impact on the natural environment. One example is circular business models that seek to close the loop by ensuring that products and their raw materials do not end up in a waste heap at the end of the product's life. Another type focuses on promoting the use of renewable energy sources. A third important type promotes sustainable agriculture and food systems. Conservation and restoration business models seek to directly restoring damage done to natural ecosystems. Our first stop is China, where businesses like Waste2Ware are leading the charge in the circular economy. Waste2Ware takes plastic waste and transforms it into beautiful fabrics and products, turning trash into treasure. By doing so, they're not just reducing waste, they're creating a new value cycle where materials are continuously repurposed. This kind of innovation shows us how we can rethink waste and create a sustainable future, one recycled product at a time. Next, let's talk about renewable energy and clean technology. Across Asia, companies are developing technologies that harness the power of nature. Take Hanergy in China, for instance. Hanergy is a leader in solar technology, producing thin-film solar panels that provide clean, renewable energy solutions. Their innovative approach is helping reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and lowering carbon emissions. From solar panels to wind turbines, Asian companies are pioneering the shift to a cleaner, greener energy future. Now let's head to Thailand, where sustainable agriculture is taking root. At Punpun Organic Farm, co-founded by Arani Hongrata, the focus is on preserving indigenous seeds, promoting organic farming, and educating the community. This farm is not just about growing food, it's about growing a sustainable future. By saving seeds and teaching sustainable practices, Punpun is empowering people to reconnect with the land and cultivate a deeper understanding of our food systems. In India, businesses are redefining how we think about everyday products. Paharpur Business Center in New Delhi provides eco-friendly office supplies and sustainable packaging solutions. Their commitment to reducing waste and promoting sustainability is a model for businesses everywhere. Eco-friendly products and packaging are small steps that lead to big changes, reducing our environmental footprint and fostering a culture of sustainability. Conservation and restoration are vital to preserving our planet's biodiversity. In Indonesia, Green Forest's work is dedicated to restoring degraded lands and protecting natural habitats. By planting trees and engaging local communities, they're working to rebuild ecosystems that have been damaged by deforestation and agricultural expansion. Efforts like these are crucial for ensuring that future generations inherit a planet rich in biodiversity and natural beauty. Waste management is another critical area where impact entrepreneurs are making a difference. In India, Banyan Nation is revolutionizing plastic recycling by using technology to make the process more efficient and transparent. They work closely with local waste pickers to collect and recycle plastics, turning waste into valuable resources. By transforming waste into new materials, Banyan Nation is helping to build a more sustainable and circular economy. Finally, let's look at water conservation and management. In India, WaterGen India is using atmospheric water generation technology to provide clean drinking water from the air. This technology is a game changer for regions facing water scarcity, offering a sustainable solution to a critical global issue. With innovations like these, we can address one of the world's most pressing challenges, ensuring access to clean water for all. As we've seen, impact entrepreneurs across Asia are creating incredible change, from conserving our natural resources to reimagining how we live and work. These businesses are not just about profit, they're about people and the planet.
In summary, impact entrepreneurs deliver 3 Ps in their business missions: profit, people, and planet. Today, no business can focus exclusively on profit without giving any regard to people and planet. Today, every business needs to consider how they reduce social and environmental harm, how they become a net zero business that causes no harm, to eventually becoming a regenerative business that helps restore the health of planet and society. Achieving this is not easy, however. In the next module of this course, we introduce the triple bottom line business model canvas that helps entrepreneurs integrate people and planet missions with their profit mission from the outset, thereby helping turn the people and planet missions from profit drags into profit drivers.